Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Instagram feed to Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, what you can do is you can click on the apps right here, search in here for Instagram feed. Then once you have done that, click on this Instagram feed in Shopify App Store. And then from in there, you should be able to see some search results for that. So in here, I'll recommend you to use this InstaFeed right here. This is built for Shopify, and it's actually safe to install. Click on this install app right here, and then from in there, you should be able to see that they will ask access in order to grant them and install them in here. Click on install right here. Then as you can see, they will be installed on our Shopify store. So as you can see, we can now see that the loading process is right here. So click on this connect with Instagram. And then in here, it will open a new tab wherein it will be prompted in order to connect your account on Instagram. Click on allow right here. Then once you have click on allow, this will load again. And then once it's loading, it will direct you again to Shopify wherein you can see that the actual connection has been made. And as you can see, we have not connected in here. You can see in here my username and have connected now. So for example, let's just name it top picks for you. So we can name it like that. And then we can use this on post click. You can show product right here. And then the post spacing, you can make this small. Rounded corners, let's use this medium. The layout, we can make this squares right here or tiles. Configuration, it can be automatic or manual. And you can also choose the numbers of rows. So for me, I'll just choose 3. As you can see, this is what my actual feed looks like right now. Click on save feed. Then once you have saved your feed, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Head over and click on this add Instafeed to your theme homepage, and then this will open a new page wherein it will direct you to the Shopify theme editor. And on the Shopify theme editor, you will be prompted to add the Instagram feed. So right now, let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. And in here, you should be able to see it right now. So as you can see, Instafeed has been added. So you can just click on this one and you should be able to see what it looks like right here. So let's scroll down, and as you can see, this is my Instafeed. And you can now see that it has been integrated successfully. Click on save right here in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you also found this video helpful, and if you leave a like below as well or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.